about our solar system. The solar system comprises of the Sun and the 8 planets moving around it. The Sun's massive gravity helps to hold the planets in their orbit so they don't drift away. So because of the gravity of the Sun, the planets don't drift from their orbits. The Sun is also the main source of energy to Earth. The Sun is made up of burning gases, mostly hydrogen and helium. These gases burn continuously, and this generates the massive heat received from the Sun. The first planet in the solar system is Mercury. Mercury is one of the terrestrial planets, that is, planets made of land, planets that have rocky surfaces. Mercury takes just 88 days to make one complete revolution around the Sun. That is, 88 days make a year in Mercury. The next planet is Venus. Venus is the second planet in the solar system. Venus is often referred to as Earth's sister because it has similar features to Earth. Venus is the hottest planet in the solar system. This is because its atmosphere is made up of mostly carbon dioxide, which helps to trap heat within the planet. Venus is one of the most finest planets when viewed in outer space. You see how beautiful it is? Yes. When you look at the sky from Earth, you see Venus like a star in the sky. That is actually Venus. The next planet we'll be looking at is our own very planet, Earth. Earth is the only planet where life exists. So on Earth, you see plants, and also you find animals. Earth is the 3rd planet from the Sun. The light from the Sun helps to keep Earth warm. The 4th planet from the solar system is Mars. Mars is regarded as the red planet because of the presence of iron oxide, which gives it a reddish color. Mars is smaller than planet Earth. Mars is also one of the terrestrial planets, which is made of rocky surface. Astronauts have been engaged in exploring Mars. In fact, there have been research on whether life can actually exist on planet Mars. Won't that be a nice idea? To pay a visit to Mars? Yes. But scientists are still working on the possibility of life existing in Mars. The first 4 planets, Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars, are the terrestrial planets because they have land in them. Jupiter is the 5th planet, and it is known as the gas giant. This is because Jupiter is made up of gas. Jupiter is the 5th planet, and it is the largest planet. Jupiter can be seen in our sky, but you wouldn't know it's Jupiter. It looks just like a star. Astronauts believe Jupiter can be seen without the aid of a telescope, but it's small. There has been raging storms in Jupiter for over 350 years. These storms can be seen as a thick red spot in Jupiter. The next planet in our solar system is Saturn. Saturn is the sixth planet in the solar system. Saturn has a ring round it. This ring is made of ice particles. Saturn is one of the brightest planets in our solar system. Saturn is also one of the gas planets. Remember, we talked about the gas planet, and we said the gas planets are those planets that are basically made up of gases. There are no lands. The next planet is Uranus. Uranus is also a gas planet. Although Uranus is not the farthest planet from the Sun, but it is the coldest planet. Uranus is the coldest planet. The atmosphere of Uranus is made up of methane. This gives it its dominant bluish color. So Uranus has a bluish color. The next planet we'll be looking at is Neptune. Just like Uranus, Jupiter, and Saturn, Neptune is also one of the gas giants. Its atmosphere is also made up of methane, which makes it also have a bluish color. But Neptune has a darker bluish color compared to Uranus, which has a light bluish color. Neptune is the farthest planet from the Sun, like we said, and it takes about 165 years for Neptune to make one complete revolution around the Sun. That's quite a distance, right? Now let's take a little detour and look at Pluto. Pluto is no longer a planet. You see, when you compare Pluto with the Earth, Pluto is so small. Pluto was officially declared a dwarf planet in 2006, and it is no longer a planet. So, when you look at the planet, you will find out that Pluto is no longer a planet. There are other dwarf planets like Pluto in our solar system. You can see some of them on the screen. So let's take a review of the planet we have learned so far. We looked at Mercury, the first planet. We looked at Venus, the hottest planet. We looked at Earth, the planet with life. We looked at Mars, the red planet. We looked at Jupiter, the largest planet. Then Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. These are the planets in our solar system. What a fun way to learn about our solar system. See you next class. Bye.